Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel for a new unboxing and review. Today it's the Imperial Praetorian Guard from the Mandalorian Season 3. So first, as usual, let's talk about the box. This is your usual Star Wars collectibles box, which means it's a black box with a promotional picture of a figure there and the Star Wars logo. For the figures from the Mandalorian Season 3, you have a blue and yellow colored strip with another promotional picture of a figure there and another one there. When you remove the first part of the box, you get this beautiful picture with 3 Praetorian guards as they're about to face past Vizsla. And then you get the figure, so let's open this and talk about the accessories. Unlike the First Order Praetorian Guards, the Imperial ones all have the same helmet, which means that Hot Toys included the accessories of each guard with this one. So you get everything you need here, and you can even army build this one if you want. The display base is the usual Star Wars interior base. This one works for almost every figure. Then it has 6 hands, but is missing fist hands. That would have been appreciated. I mean, it's something that should be included with every figure. So, you get 2 hands to hold the weapons. 2 open hands, and 2 gesture hands. In terms of weapons, he has a heavy vibro blade, a chain whip, and 2 vibro arbor blades that can be joined at the ends to make one big blade, like this. The First Order weapons felt more ceremonial, while these ones feel like they're meant for action. These are all newly sculpted blades. They're great, but I wish they had included USB-powered light-up weapons, too, like they do with lightsabers. It would have looked great on these blades. The Imperial Praetorian Guards are my favorite Star Wars Red Guards. They have a beautiful armor that gives them a threatening presence. At the same time, it's an armor that can work for ceremonial purposes, but it's also one that allows them to move easily for action. The boots are made of plastic and are 2 separate pieces, which means you'll have fit articulation. This guard uses elements from other troopers. The torso and the belt are borrowed from the First Order Stormtroopers, while the forearm armor is borrowed from the Imperial Stormtroopers. The shoulder pads, though, are new pieces. They are not borrowed from other troopers. They actually have a samurai vibe, and I really like that. As for the color itself, the burgundy of the undersuit and the red of the armor parts are the same as the Imperial Royal Guards. When you look at it, each armor part sports a bright and shiny red. It feels like chrome-plated armor, except it's just painted red. The helmet is one that stands out. You can definitely feel the Middle-earth inspiration, while it still bears the Star Wars touch. In terms of articulation, you can look up, look down, and look on its side. You can move the arms like that, this way. This way. You can also move the hands. You can move the legs like that, like that, like that, and you can move the feet. The Imperial Praetorian Guard is a magnificent figure that will be a great addition to your collection, and one that is easy to army build. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!